Hey there once again, people. It's Dorkin86 here with another episode of Let's Play Resident Evil 4.
Follow me.
In the last episode, we just escaped from the village. I got some more weapons and tuned them up. And I guess now we'll just be going further and further into the castle. Let's see what we got. And now they should be monks or whatever instead of village people. Alright, they don't see me, so... Oh wait, let me... Combine. Way better. Yay! Now I can see from millions of miles away. Oh, I wonder if I can still get a double kill on these. I think so. That dude is walking back and forth. Walking a mile. That dude's just chilling. Oh yeah! I managed to get him before he even got down here. Yeah. Reload. Alright. Now, they throw fireballs at us.
Ahí está.
Mátalo!
¡Mátalo!
Alright, let's see. Run. Get down here. And I'm probably just gonna let you head in here.
Wait.
We got double blue, 1500, and it's in here. Glad I can't give Ashley a weapon. Oh wait. If I can see something from up here. No, I can't. Yep, no I can't. You on the other hand, I can kill right here. Pretty sure the dude manning the thing is still up there somewhere. Oh wait, is that a barrel? Yes. Alright, one dudette man down. Almost gonna come back. Oh my god, now I gotta deal with the scythe people. Alrighty. Follow. Follow. Slice. Ah, damn it. Death. Yes, I did. What you got? Hey, yellow one. Nice. No snakes. No snakes. Yeah. So blue and some money. Sounds like there's more people. Oh, I can just kill that one over there. Should be someone up here too. Yep, I can just shoot that with my handgun. Down. Alright, just one more to go. Sounds like they're already starting to go down for Ashley. Let me see. Because I know that's what they tend to do. Yep. Let me see. Alright, dillos, prepare to die. You suck. Yeah, whatever. Could always blind them when they try and come out with Ashley. No! Leon! Okay. Yeah! Okay, now that you're blinded, let me kill you with this. And hopefully Ashley is Oh my god, get out of there, Ashley. Get over here, Ashley. Get the hell
Follow me.
over here. Oh my god. Alrighty. Now I gotta go down there and kill them off. Hold it, boss! Hold on, I'm coming. Alright, switch over to weapon. Shoot you there. Come over here. Watch me slice this man to death. You. Test my new shotgun on you. Come over here. Come to the light. Are you scared? Man! Oh, that's health. Yeah. Alright, that's good. Can't remember if there was anyone else down here. No, there isn't. Alright, come on, Ashley. I think I will make you wait in here.
Wait.
Go kill this last person and you gag them. With a sniper. Run for your life, Leon! I can't see a barrel. Back up! Oh, I missed him! At least I got to see him there. Good, dead. That's the last one. So, yeah. Spin this thing. Come on, rotate it faster. There we go. Yes. Death cannon. Death cannon. Alright then, let's go, Ashley. Let's go.
Follow me.
Am I missing anything though? Aha! Yay. There's anything else over here. Oh, hey there, merchant. I was about to shoot you.
Welcome.
Anything else good for me?
Got some rare
tuna.
things on sale, stranger.
Alrighty.
What are you selling?
Let's see. What am I selling? Oh, yeah, these.
Is that all? Thank. Is that all?
I guess that's
Thank
it for
you.
now, merchant. Oh, yeah,
What are you
tunes.
buying?
What do we got? Right gun. I don't want to do that. Oh, it's just the right gun. Nope. Don't want to do that.
Come back anytime.
Oh, whoa. Ha, I win. Alrighty, into the door of death. An explosion. Sauce. Oh, hey, Hunnigan.
Leon, where's your current location?
We decided to lay low in a castle, but it looks like it was a bad move.
Meaning?
Well, it appears that this castle's also connected with the Los Illuminados. They must not get many visitors here, because they're giving me one hell of a welcome.
Yep.
Sounds bad. I have an idea, Leon. I need you to...
What? Repeat, Hunnigan. Frick. Just my luck.
Yep. Alright, shotgun shells. That's always nice. Oh, money. Alright. A sword of death. Platinum sword. Take the platinum sword. Yes. Alrighty.
Mátalo.
Ah, shit. Okay, where are they? Oh, that dude doesn't even know. Ah, shit. Oh, man. Come over here, Ashley. Alright. Boomstick time. Better not be infected. Whatever. I know the ball dude is. Shit. Yeah! Oh, I'm reloading. Shit. Okay. Is everyone here? Someone was down there. Oh, I missed. Oh, fuck! Reload! Double headshot. Except for that dude, he's still there. God damn it.
Wait.
Should only be one guy left. It's that dude. Yeah. Alrighty. Area is clear now. Better heal myself first before opening up a snake thingy. Alright. Alright, cool. Is that it? Open. Ah! Whatever. I can still mix these two and then just wait for a green herb. Anything else in here? I could have swore that there was like a portrait I could take money from. Anywho, take the gold sword. And swap it. Platinum there. And gold goes down here. Yeah. Alrighty.
Follow me.
Let's go, Ashley. Onward to our death. Oh! Alright. I think I might probably end the episode right here. And yeah, I guess I'll probably just end it here then. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Tune in to the next episode. And until then, this is Dorkin86 signing off.